Unfortunately, nowadays everyone is worried about their funds. Everyone is panicked about the tokens that they are holding on their wallet, even while checking your investments, while checking your total funds. So you will be desperate because Bitcoin is just performing below 30,000. Even we touch 24,500. This is impossible for Bitcoins because the heavy support was 29,100. Even we break the heavy support and we touch 24,500. What I think, this is all because of Luna, because of UST. You know, Luna just crashed about 100% in this a few days. So in this bear market, I will tell you inside this video, in this bear market, what things you need to learn in order to not lose your funds in the future, in order to get huge profit in the future. So what things you need to learn in this bear market, because in this 1 month or 2 months, we cannot see a recover on the crypto market, because this is very difficult to recover, to bounce back to all-time high. So this is very impossible. That's why I'm telling you what things you need to learn in this bear market. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more updates about cryptocurrency, meme coins, crypto updates, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. This is the situation and the condition of a cryptocurrency. Nowadays everyone is panic about their funds. Nowadays everything is boring. About cryptocurrency, everything is boring. So no one just want to see the cryptocurrency's price, the Bitcoin's price. Even you can see the global market cap is now 1.26 trillion. In 1 day decreased 4.30%. Even you can see Bitcoin just touched 24,500 today. So in 1 week Bitcoin's down 21%, Ethereum 28%, even BNB 28%, XRP 35%, Cardano 37%, Solana 46%. So Dogecoin 32%, Polkadot 36%. The whole cryptocurrencies are down from 5% to even 100%. Luna is the only cryptocurrency which is down about 100%. From $80 now we are below 1 cent. So if I show you in here, this is the Terra Luna. As you know, Luna, the ranking was 12, but now you can see the ranking is 412. The price is 0.01 cent. In 1 day the price dropped 100%. Daily the price of Luna is just dropping because everyone is panic. Everyone is just everyone lost their fund, those who invested in this Luna cryptocurrency. You know, this is impossible. A cryptocurrency which is a trusted cryptocurrency coming from $80 to 0.01 cent in this few days. This is very impossible. So this is all because of their USD. So if I show you, this is the Terra USD, the stable coin of Terra Luna. Even the stable coin, the price should be $1, but you can see the price is 37 cents. So that's why you can see Luna coin is just the price is decreasing. Everyone is selling that Luna token. Even Binance just delist Terra Luna from the future. Even they are going to delist Luna from the Binance. So this is all because of USD. Even you can see in here, everyone is selling the token. The market cap from billion, now we can see 58 million. The daily volume dropped 54%. So although the maximum supply is only 4 billion, so the supply is not too much, but because of their USD, so Luna is just losing their position. Luna is just losing their users, losing their holders. Here you can see from a few days Luna is down about 100%, from $80 to 0.01 cent journey. You can see those who short Luna in the future, so congratulations, you are just in a profit. But those who purchased Luna from $50, $80, from $100, even $120, from $10, now unfortunately you are all in loss. Again, there are some people thinking in order to invest to this Luna or no. Why? Because of their all-time high. You can see the all-time high is 120. So they are thinking that one day Luna again touch their all-time high. So that's why they are going to they just want to invest on the Luna. Even you know about some YouTubers, even you know about some holders, they just invest more on the Luna, again they are in loss. So what I recommend you, this is not the time to invest on this Luna, because still the developers did not do anything, but they are going to burn about UST, about the Luna tokens, so that they should see a little recover. But this is very impossible, because now everyone is just scared about to invest in this Luna token. Okay, now what things you need to learn in this bear market. So now what to do with this bear market, because we cannot see our tokens day by day, because we will be panic, because all our funds are down about 80%. So in order to check your token, just let me tell you, stake your token on the exchange that you are holding, stake it, and don't log in to the exchange. Just don't see your mobile, don't check your mobile, don't check your tokens price. Only what things you need to do, I will tell you. First of all, you should learn about technical analysis. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis means just know about chart, candlestick, chart pattern, indicators. So if you learn about technical analysis, easily you can find the support level of any cryptocurrency, resistance level of any cryptocurrency. Even you can understand the indicators, so which indicators help you to just buy any token and sell any token. So you need to learn about this. So tradingview.com, which is a best website about technical analysis. This is Bitcoin's chart frame. In here you can see, in order to learn about technical analysis, so this is the candle, this is the chart. So you should know about each candle, as we have hammer, shooting star, so doji, and then we have engulfing. So there are many candlesticks, so that you should know about each candle represent the next action, what we're going to do, with what the market will do next. So and then you need to know about indicators. This is indicators. From here you need to learn about RSI, MACD, and then we have exponential moving average, super trend. So there are many indicators, but there are few indicators, or for beginners even, that you should know. So which is about RSI, and then if I show you about MACD, and then we have about volume indicator. If I show you, this is volume oscillators, volume oscillators, and then we have moving average. So and then we have exponential moving average. So there are some indicators that you need to learn in this bear market. So in this video, I cannot teach you each about indicators, because the video will be lengthy. If you want me, so tell me in the comment section, I will make a video. And then what you need to do, so and then you need to learn about chart pattern, as we have falling wedge, and then we have channel, descending channel, triangle channel. So this is all about chart patterns. You should know about that. For example, if I show you in here, so if I show you, this is about, this is the support line, and then we have in here, this is the resistance line. So you should know about this chart pattern in order to find so the support level and resistance level. So this is about technical analysis, that you should know about any cryptocurrency in order to buy and sell the token, in order to get profit, in order to not lose your funds. I know I did not guide you completely about technical analysis, because the video will be lengthy. If you have any confusion, problem, feel free to ask me in the comment section. After that, what do you need to know? So the next thing you need to know about fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis? To know about the developers of token, what the developers are going to do with the token, the roadmap, and then all the details about the cryptocurrency. So this is the fundamental token. You should know about the developers, the teams, what they are going to do. And then you need to know about metaverse NFT. This is the NFT token, top collectibles and NFTs token by market capitalization. So in here we have Flow, Epic Coin, Decentraland, Sandbox. So this is all the NFT token. Let me tell you, if you hold any NFT token in the future, you will be in a profit. This is OpenSea NFT marketplace, the famous NFT marketplace. Even although you can find other NFT marketplace, but OpenSea is one of the top. So in here you can find any NFTs. Even you can upload your NFT, even you can buy and sell NFT. So this is all about NFT, where you can buy it. So make sure to learn about NFT, how you can create NFT, how you can sell your NFT, how you can buy NFT. Search on YouTube, you can find several videos about NFT, about OpenSea NFT marketplace. So make sure to learn about this. In here you can see this is all the NFT projects. Also you can find the tokens in here. Epic Coin, even we have Decentraland, this is all Chiliz, Inch Coin, Gala Coin, Rose, NFT. So this is all the token. Make sure to learn about it. The last thing you need to learn about metaverse. In the future, so cryptocurrency will be involved in the metaverse. You need to know about this, how to buy land in the metaverse, how to use the metaverse land as you are just doing virtually. So you can see there are top metaverse tokens by market capitalization, as we have Epic Coin, Decentraland, Sandbox, X Infinity. Also you can check Decentraland. Just go on Decentraland official website, even you can check their metaverse land. So this is, as we have one of the popular metaverse land, which is Next Earth. In here you can buy metaverse land, the real metaverse land. As we can see, if you want to buy your own home, so you can buy from here. Even you can check, as I show you, this is all that metaverse land. So you should learn about how to buy metaverse land, how to upload any about metaverse land. If you're working any project, any metaverse project, so how you can upload the land, how you can just put your metaverse land for rent in order to earn passive income. So you must watch, you must learn about this. So in a conclusion, things you need to learn in this bear market: first of all, technical analysis, and then fundamental analysis, and then NFT, how you can create NFT, how you can buy and sell NFT, which NFT project is the best in order to get profit. At last, you need to learn about metaverse, because in the future metaverse tokens will give you huge profit, as we have several cryptocurrencies that involve in the metaverse. So you should learn about how to buy metaverse land, how to sell metaverse land, and how to put your metaverse land for rent in order to earn passive income. So in this video I cannot guide you deeply because the video will be lengthy. So I just give you a short updates, a short headline, what things you need to learn in this bear market. So if you have any problem, confusion, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So this video is end up in here. Smash the like button to a new all-time high. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about these steps in order to learn about cryptocurrency. Although you want to make profit, although you want to make money with this cryptocurrency, but you are not ready to learn about this market. Till the time you did not learn about this market, you will not make profit. So still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.